Welcome to MageLab tutorials. In this episode, interrupt and mute, we're gonna improve the chat flow with interrupt and mute functions. Let's go. Ever need to interrupt or mute a chat when it's too long or irrelevant? MageLab lets you just do that with two buttons. In this example, I, a fictional pet owner, interrupt an AI chat and mute it to focus on having the AI write the diary for our newly adopted puppy, Fido. Let's go. Step 1, initiate a chat. I'm using voice talk right now, so let me hover to the corner button here and fast. What should be recorded in a pet diary when adopting a new dog? To start a question in the chat.
Great idea. A pet diary helps you track health, habits, and progress as you settle in with a new dog. Here's a practical structure and ready to fill.
While the AI mage speaks, I just press the corner button to interrupt because the chat response is too long. I had to step in. Then, with the same button, I hold and ask the AI mage to write a diary directly. Here we go. Start a text file named Pet Diary and note that Fido barked at the vacuum. Tag day 1.
Pet diary.txt has been created with day 1 entry. Day 1 date. 2026-01-29 note. Fido barked at the vacuum. Would you like me to append?
What I just did is while Mage spoke, I clicked the mute icon because I find the AI voice is a little bit distracting when I have to edit the file that Mage started to draft. So I use mute button in the top toolbar to mute the voice. And I added information here saying in addition to barking at the vacuum, Fido also barked at delivery trucks. All right, here we go. And I will save the pet diary file and saved. All right, so in this example, you can see that I interrupt to pivot the chat and mute to silence the AI voice when I need to focus on my task. So I hope this tutorial helped you to understand MageLab's 2-button controls let you quickly interrupt or mute chats. This way you can stay focused on the task, like guiding AI to draft the Fido's diary and for us to complete with the final version. Thank you so much, and next episode will be view photos and PDFs in MageLab. See you there.